Today, I'll show you how to delete a Gmail account from a phone. Before you start, it's important to know exactly what this means. Deleting a Gmail account is not the same as simply removing an account from the Gmail app. When you delete Gmail, you are removing the Gmail service from your Google account. That means your Gmail address, inbox, and email history connected to that address can be lost. Your Google account may still stay active, but Gmail itself will be gone. To begin, open the Gmail app on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, tap Manage your Google account. Once your account settings open, go to the Data and Privacy section. Now scroll down until you find the area related to your data. Look for Download or Delete your data, then tap Delete a Google service. Google may ask you to sign in again at this point. That is a normal security check, so just enter your password and continue. On the next screen, you'll see a list of Google services connected to your account. Find Gmail, then tap the delete icon next to it. After that, Google will ask you to enter a different email address that is not another Gmail address. This alternate email will be used to help you continue accessing your Google account after Gmail is removed. Once you enter that email address, tap Next and check your inbox for a verification message from Google. Open the email, follow the confirmation link, and complete the final steps on the screen. Make sure you read everything carefully before confirming, because this action affects your Gmail address permanently. Also remember, this is different from removing an account from the Gmail app on your phone. If you only want to sign out of the app, you do not need to delete the Gmail service completely. And that's it. That's how to delete a Gmail account from a phone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.